Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have an unboxing for you which comes from Mindfulness diamond painting. So let's get into this and see. So we are packaged in the sort of trash bag material with parcel tape, and then we are boxed inside. We've taken a little bit of a dink on one corner, but it seems okay other than that. Let me just run this down here. That's better. So let's, oh goodness. Okay, so, oh my gosh. Oh, I see, it's actually stuck to the end of the box, which would explain why it wasn't coming out. So we've got packing sort of stuck on the end there, but we'll deal with that in a moment. So, not a branded box, generic box, but this is different packaging from the last canvas I received from them. Let's see what we've got inside. Oh gosh, it's heavy. Okay, so everything comes all taped together, like so. Let's get my trusty little kniff again. Get through this tape. So what we've got here, we've got all of our diamonds. And then the canvas itself. Oh no, I don't know if that's, okay, hopefully that's okay. Let's try and detach these. Right, so, okay. So the canvas is on a foam roller. We've got the Mindfulness logo here, and it tells us what it is, and it is a 50 by 150 because it is a multi-panel picture. It's 4 panels. So we will look at the diamonds separately. Let's get this canvas out and have a look. Oh, it's very well packaged, so there shouldn't be any reason for there to be an issue with the canvas due to packaging, because it is well wrapped. Oh. Oh my goodness. I might edit some of this out, you know, me struggling. You don't need to see all of this. Okay, so the sorry, camera. The top sheet on this is a little bit wrinkled. However, that doesn't necessarily mean there'll be a problem with the glue. It just means, I don't know what would have caused this. Maybe just the size of the painting. But as you can see, if I pull it back, oh, I've got tape on that bit. Yeah, a bit overboard with the tape. But yeah, you can see here that this is panic. This is absolutely fine. We've got lovely clear canvas. The only thing, it's not an issue for me, but some people might find it annoying, is if you look at the symbols, you can see they're printed the other way up. So as if the canvas was, as if this panel was landscape rather than portrait. But again, that's probably just down to the size of the canvas. So let's see if I can get this one safely covered back up without putting too many air bubbles into it. There, well, it's better than it was. So we've got winter. In fact, what I will do is I'm going to roll it back onto the foam roller. Because it's poured glue, you can roll it without any worry about it damaging the glue. So, and we've got our spring image. Let me see if I can take you up a little bit further. So we've got spring, which is a little harder to see, and I've got a light shining on it, which isn't helping. Oh my goodness. They sent to try me today, aren't they? Summer, which is this lovely image of a woman looking out to sea. And finally, we've got autumn, a family going for a walk with all the lovely orangey colours, the season. So the whole thing is 40 colours. What I will probably do is chop it into 4 smaller canvases, because I'm not going to display it as one big canvas. I don't have space. So my plan is to treat it as 4 separate canvases, but obviously it'll only be one lot of kitting up, which will be nice. There is a fair amount of colour blocking on each picture. Put them this way then. Yeah, so you can see all of that yellow background is all one colour. Even though it appears to have stripes, it doesn't. I'm not sure why. I think that's just a printing issue. So yeah, so that one should be quite quick to work up. This one's got a little bit more colour variation. I'm going to bring it back down again because that light is... I'm tempted to chop them up now just to make it easier, but actually I think storing them on a roll may actually be more helpful. This is not far off being the same size as the Adventure Time canvas that I did. That was, I think, 120 and this is 150. But yeah, I think this will be certainly a nice project that will keep me going. And I think I would like to work on this over the course of a year, and do each piece seasonally. I think that's how I see myself working on this, because I think it would be nice to use each piece, you know, to celebrate the season. Just looking at symbols for a second, we are mostly alphanumeric. There's that slightly frustrating thing where colour number 1 is symbol number 2, but that's fine. And then we go into, so we've got numeric, alphabet, and then just a small selection of symbols at the end. Square, play button, male and female symbols, heart, diamond, and a music note. And obviously I would think that not all of the symbols are going to be on all of the canvases, because some colours will only appear in one canvas. So let us look at the colours. I am probably going to time lapse this because there's a lot of them. So I'm going to go into a time lapse now, and then I will bring you back at the end. I've been through all of the diamonds, everything looks lovely. There really isn't a lot else to say other than to go over the price. So for this canvas, which as we've established is 50 by 150 centimetres, it is a pretty reasonable £32.99. I think that's pretty good. Whether you cut it up into 4 separate canvases or you treat it as one big one, you're unlikely to find a canvas this size in this sort of level of quality for less than that, really. I'm really pleased with it. Obviously, as always, I give the caveat that until I've actually worked on it, I'm never going to be entirely sure how it's going to turn out, but quietly confident. And I will of course keep you updated with pictures on Instagram once I've started, and I will do a full post review once it's finished. As always, please do consider leaving a like if you enjoy my content, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video.